You can see what it's like out there today. It's not only cold and rainy, but there's the mistral blowing. Super nasty. So Steve and I are foregoing the Palace of the Popes in Avignon today. In 14th century, Avignon was the most important city in Europe and the seat of the Catholic Church. The Pont du Gard is 25 kilometers to the west of the city, and it's only a fragment of a system that once spanned 50 kilometers. It was made in 5 years, and the 275-meter long, 50-meter high section built across the Gardon River carried water. The source of the spring water was in or around Uzès, and the aqueduct's entire purpose was to carry water to Nîmes, Nimes. The Pont du Gard is the finest remaining example of an ancient aqueduct and was built almost 2,000 years ago by the Romans. Its size, condition, and arches make this the highest ancient bridge in the world. Out of all these sites that they have shown here at Pont du Gard, Steve and I have been to every single one. You can see videos of the Komodo dragons on YouTube. Every single one except, believe it or not, I'm going to show it to you last, Stonehenge. We have not been there. We have to remedy that. Okay?